The prosecutor encourages or induces a witness or a defendant to provide, or a defendant. So this was, I was gonna post like an intro video explaining my channel Midnight at the Mansion Ale, but I saw this and thought, let's get this out there. I don't know, maybe people have already run into this. It's from like a while ago, but I thought it was interesting. I don't even know who like runs this website. It's giglio-bradylist.com. This is fascinating, yes. Brady List, the great sale of the state of Idaho. Idaho Brady List you could buy for $99. We're not gonna do that. Hang on. Who's that? Let's click. Clickaroo. Let's see what's here. I have already looked at this. So I don't know how comprehensive this is. November 2024 and December 2023. So notably, these are both after 2022. And this one I'm gonna skip. It's about a domestic case. I wish I hadn't read it, to be honest. I'm not sure that should be here, public. Anyway, so suborning perjury is the one that we're going to look at as the complaint. And this is just a fancy little definition. So suborning perjury is a type of prosecutor misconduct where the prosecutor encourages or induces a witness or a defendant to provide, or a defendant. Interesting. The prosecutor encourages or induces a witness or a defendant to provide false testimony under oath in a court of law. This type of misconduct undermines the integrity of the judicial system and can lead to the wrongful conviction of innocent people. So let's see what this complaint is from November 4th of 2024. Prosecutor misconduct. So reporting authority, this complaint has been forwarded to the Idaho State Bar, and it's made anonymously. And so this is just somebody making a statement. This is alleged. This is not a fact. This is what someone is reporting that Bill Thompson and Keith Scholl did. But I'm going to read it to you because it's interesting, and you can decide whether you think this person is just making up a bunch of stuff or if Bill Thompson is. Not my jurisdiction. This is just what they reported. On November 4th, I was arrested due to a failure to appear warrant. This happened because my attorney failed to inform me of critical court dates. During my hearing, the prosecutor made several false claims, including an accusation of potential new meth charges based on something allegedly found in my vehicle. This accusation is completely untrue. After my arrest, 2 officers went to my home and illegally searched my vehicle without a warrant, without my permission, and with their body cameras turned off. This blatant disregard for my rights has left me feeling deeply violated. What's even more concerning is the clear discrimination I faced, fueled by false accusations made by Keith Scholl. His baseless claims seem to have influenced the prosecutor and others in the legal process, leading to slanderous remarks and an unfair portrayal of me. These lies and prejudices have added unnecessary hardship to an already painful situation. During the court proceedings, the prosecutor continued to make slanderous remarks and baseless accusations about drug use, even though I was not arrested or charged with anything drug-related. These statements were entirely irrelevant to the case. which involves an alleged theft charge. This experience has been disheartening and unjust. It's not about the charges, it's about the unfair treatment, the false narratives, and the complete disregard for due process and my rights. The actions and assumptions made against me reflect a deeper issue of bias and mistreatment that no one should have to endure. Let me know if this captures your concerns or if you'd like any further changes. I don't know how, like where they submit this complaint or like so I don't know who they're talking to when they say let me know if this captures your concerns. So I'm not sure how that happened, but I just think that's an interesting statement, an interesting alleged series of events regarding Latah County prosecuting attorney William W. Thompson. Love to hear what you think. I would love to hear if you think that sounds completely outlandish and nobody in law enforcement or on the prosecution would ever do anything remotely like that, allegedly.